What's the meaning of bison? Bison. Bison.
Bison. Bison. Bison is a noun that refers to a large, shaggy-haired mammal from the Bovidae family. They are commonly known as American buffalo and are found in North America. Bison have a massive head with short, curved horns and a hump on their shoulders. They can weigh over a ton and are known for their strength and endurance. Historically, bison played a significant role in the lives of Native Americans, who relied on them for food, clothing, and shelter. Today, bison are still an important part of many cultures, and efforts are made to conserve their populations, which were once threatened by overhunting and habitat loss.